What are you doing? Huh? What you doing? Eating halo-halo? Are you eating?
Good, huh?
J-Max, what are you cooking?
Mango soup.
Mango soup? Bella, what are you cooking?
Mango soup.
Oh, Dad, they are cooking mango soup. Look at that. Oh, and look at them. They have fire underneath it. Kuya started this project because Kuya has invented a camping. What was that, Kuya?
It was a camping thing, but now
A camping fire.
But now I'm doing it without the bottles. See what I need to make the fire last longer.
Yeah. They're cooking. Okay.
Video chat.
Jay, you having fun? Huh?
I miss you a lot.
Again.
I'm gonna give you some big kisses. Watch.
He said, I miss. Oh, go train choo-choo with Bella. Go train choo-choo with Bella.
Dala kami muna.
Bella, come back. Wait for Olivia. Bye-bye. Ito kasi. Match na match yung dalawa ya. Si Kian tsaka si Yan. Oh, dahil na. Ano ba yan, Kuya? What?
Anak, yan lang.
Ay, nanay, taas mo nga yung ano. Ba't ba walang sapatos yata suot? Taas. Ayaw nga. What are you doing? Jay, sige na, mag-play ka na doon. Anong hindi? Masaya nga sila.
Ay, putang init.
It's okay, you will ligo again. Ayan na, huminto na naman. Ay! Are you having fun with Bella? Are you having fun? Yeah? Let me pull your pants.
I saw some fish. You know that? I'm at the grocery market with Plaza.
Look, he's got some fish, Dad.
Look. Dad, Mama also let me buy a ring with a diamond in the middle.
Oh, show Daddy your fancy ring. No, wait. Let's show Daddy your ring. Ooh, Daddy, look at that. J-Max so fancy. Hey, Max. Are you driving with Tatay? Okay. Whoa, J-Max. Whoa. Daddy's watching you.
I'm having real fun here. Guess what? I even got my own ring with a diamond. There's only 50 pesos. That's how cheap it is. Look at me, I'm so high. That time made us a lot of rings, 3 already now. And there's some dragon fruit over there.
Okay, get down. I'm so scared now. Hi, baby. You're so dirty.
I'm dirty.
Yeah, your face is so dirty. Are you having fun?
I play fun.
Okay.
And also
What did you say, Jay?
everything is so much better here.
Like
the,
what things?
The swings, the right field.
What else?
And the houses, especially my tire wing, swing, like video, and the mango, the bananas. There's even tiny baby bananas.
Baby, are you swinging with your brother?
Yeah? Hold on, George. Mama, look at me. If you're not on this one swing. Ah!
Be careful, your sister's down there.
Hello, Ibiong. Ibiong.
Are you swinging?
Yeah. And the wheels.
And a wheel?
Yeah.
You're so silly.
This is mine. Zero, no, stand up here.
I'll go swing again.
I'll give them again.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun.
You having fun? You're so dirty. You're so cute. You're so dirty. Tata is stealing the dragon fruit of the neighbor. What's happening? Ayun. Tata is stealing the dragon fruit.
Dalawa lang ba?
Dalawa lang, tama na daw yun. Tatay, come on, bring dragon fruit. Ayan na, abutin mo daw, Lord.
Dragon fruit!
Yay, tatay got a dragon fruit. Lord, kan kunin mo. Yay. Dragon fruit at saka atis. Kuya, i-load mo nga siya. Nagbibideo ako eh. Wow, good job. Whoa, good job, Jay. say? No more.
Bilang kasutan bola, wala tayo sa B. Wala tayo sa G, binabi ang 6. Number 25, under G.
Jay!
Wala tayo sa O, 72.
Wait, Mama, I want to take off my
Wala
socks.
tinawag, O, 72.
No,
No,
keep it.
just was supposed to take them off. I didn't know. Everyone
Bilang
sounds.
kasutan bola, wala tayo sa O, again, 74. Wala tinawag, O, 74. Ika. Wala tayo sa G, 57.
To see the nagtatanim in our bukid ng palay. Ooh, kuya. See that? That's how they make a living, these guys. They go like that all day, planting the rice. And they're probably gonna make, I don't know, few bucks, $6 for doing this all day. You know what they're doing, anak?
They're taking little plants from the because they're planting them.
They're planting rice. This is how you plant rice. You put them like that one by one. See? He's so fast, huh?